All lies. Unreal. Hey guys, it's Dr. Potter. I want to tell you about another way that insurance companies are gaming the system and hurting patients and providers. So an insurance company is supposed to have an adequate network of providers and facilities so that when you buy a product, when you sign up for insurance, you know that you're going to get good care and access to doctors when you need it. For instance, doctors who treat breast cancer and mammogram facilities and surgery centers that you can use. So recently I told you about a patient who was diagnosed with breast cancer after she waited for over 2 months to get a mammogram. It turns out when I looked into the records here in Texas that she was actually on a plan that had asked for a waiver for mammography. So this is a Texas plan, a Texas-based insurance that went to the state of Texas and applied to be able to sell a product that didn't have the standard mammography availability. So this patient purchased this product not knowing that there was a waiver around mammography, and she was harmed by that. So another example, I have a surgery center and I work really hard to try to contract with insurance companies so that I can take care of my patients in network in our surgery center because we deliver better care with better outcomes, and we can actually do it even more efficiently and in a way that saves money for everybody. But beside that, I was negotiating with an insurance company. They contacted me to say, should we be in network? Can we negotiate this? And they offered me a rate that was 60% of the Medicare rate, so below Medicare, which is not sustainable. And I simply replied back, no, that rate doesn't work, but let's talk about it. I really want to be in network, so let's negotiate. Well, they then went to the state of Texas and applied for a waiver and said that I wouldn't negotiate with them. They said that they couldn't find an ambulatory surgery center like mine in Travis County in the middle of Austin, Texas, that was willing to negotiate with them. And that's not true. I am willing and I want to take care of patients, but they were trying to force me into a ridiculously low payment. And so instead of acting honorably in like our society where we want to take great care of patients and provide that care, they went to Texas and said that they wanted to sell an incomplete, inferior product to Texans that doesn't have coverage for surgery. And they also said that I had not been willing to negotiate with them. All lies. Unreal.